In this video, we showcase a spectacular off-grid shipping container cabin built on the edge of a cliff overlooking the Indian Ocean. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom cabin accommodates up to 4 guests, making it ideal for families or friends seeking an intimate getaway. The containers were fabricated off-site, craned onto the foundation, and installed on steel piers to elevate the structure away from moisture. On the inside, the cabin's decor is cozy, modern, and in muted colors with natural textures. From the entrance, a super stylish black-themed kitchen equipped with a gas stove top, convection oven, quality appliances, wooden countertops, and enough storage, plus a well-finished kitchen backsplash is what greets you first. In addition, the kitchen has a generous kitchen island for additional working space. The living area is adjacent to the kitchen. It is a lovely sociable space fitted with modern furnishings, a large comfortable couch perfect for lounging or simply enjoying the space's sunlight. The space has a custom designed tabletop and a beautiful floor rug to define the lounge area. In addition, the living room has a cozy fireplace fitted with 2 comfy Eames lounge chairs with footrests, a crackling wood burner, and a cowhide floor mat, which adds a touch of luxury to the room. Highlighted by the 3 pendant lights, this spacious house has a dining area that features a large dining table with custom dining chairs for 6. The high ceilings in the living area creates a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness. Glass doors in the living room fold to the side of the living area, spilling it onto the outdoor deck, ideal for alfresco dining, making the space bigger than it looks. In addition, the floor-to-ceiling glass windows offer incredible views of the ocean and can be opened wide to catch cross breezes for natural cooling and ventilation. The first sliding barn door from the kitchen opens into the first bedroom. It accommodates 2 comfy single beds with warm beddings, storage shelves, and a glass window that amplifies the space. The second barn door of the kitchen opens into a small but satisfactory guest bathroom. Past the bathroom is the third barn door that opens into a full bathroom. The full bathroom features a fully tiled walk-in shower, double vanities, and a toilet. Worth noting is the glass window in the bathroom that floods the space with natural light. The main bedroom has access to the wooden deck. It is furnished with a queen-sized bed and enough pillows for a good night's rest. It has a custom-designed wardrobe, enough for storage. The glass doors in the bedroom can also be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation to enhance indoor thermal comfort. The house is finished with hardwood flooring, giving it a sleek, modern look. Cladded with steel, the exterior is painted black and blends it beautifully with the surrounding landscape. The outside half has a sheltered, expansive deck which boasts of tranquility and spectacular views. This spectacular deck offers a very inviting hot tub, braai facilities, net hammocks floating off the edge of the cliff and the deck, as well as a beautiful outdoor table with seating big enough for 4. This amazing off-grid cabin is great for large families or friends and is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing cabin appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, or you like shipping container homes, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.